How hard is your job?
Oh gosh, well, at the moment, I'll be honest with you, it's quite hard because I'm new. And you know, when you start something new and you've got to learn everything at the beginning, so at the moment it is quite hard, but coming to places like this and talking to children like you and meeting with your head teacher, that's all helping me to learn about the job. Here today at Grangetown Primary School. Lovely to learn about the good work that's going on in the school around the new curriculum and to see some of the work that the children have been doing, and really nice as well to answer questions from the Rights Respecting Schools children who had lots of different questions for me, so I had a good grilling off those as well.
How could you improve schools, the outside environment of schools, like ours that have a lot of concrete in our playground?
Part of what you do in school is PE, isn't it, and getting you all moving and active, but we also want to make sure that you've got lots of opportunities to move around as well, and in terms of like walking to school and things like that. But it's been really useful talking to you now, because I'm going to go back and think about what we do when you haven't got a lot of outdoor space.